Hey, so what do you guys think about my light kit? $700. I'm kidding. I had an extra Milwaukee head strap light. I just took the band of it off and then zip tied it. Hi. You want to mow with me? You want to mow with me? We're trying to show the people my new $700 Fiskars light. It was free because I had it here forever. Okay, let's show the people what they want to see. All I did was have an extra Milwaukee headlamp, and there's a bar right here, and all I did was zip tie it to that bar, working perfectly.